Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. As you can see, I'm gonna build my PC now. This is my first PC build, so I'm gonna start with my motherboard. I'm gonna prep my motherboard. So this is the CPU cooler bracket. This is my motherboard. This is the RAM.
Damn!
Corsair Vengeance DDR4. 8 gigabytes, so 16. So we're gonna bring the motherboard out. Say, damn, my dongle is still in. Don't know why. So our motherboard is out, and it's a Gigabyte B450 shaken. This is my processor, Ryzen 3600. I'm gonna drop my processor in now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Damn, I fucked up.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god! Wow!
Anyways, Allah bachise bhai. The fuck, why? Yeah. Allah bachise. It dropped in. Now we're gonna drop in the RAM. No. Both of them are plugged in. Now we're gonna prep our CPU cooler. This is our CPU cooler, Jiushark 2-tower CPU radiator. We're gonna move this aside and just unbox it for now. Manual guide. Who reads it? Manual guide.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Fuck no. Anyways, this is the brackets and shit for Intel, I guess so. And this is the main cooler, main deal. Let's peel that motherfucker.
Yeah, boy.
Damn, gang. Satisfying. Put that motherfucker there. Now, we done with the box. Now we need the brackets for our cooler. I think these two black brackets. Yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna place this and like continue the video. As you can see, I just installed the cooler. It wasn't a hassle, but took a bit of time. Now we're gonna install the mvme. This is a Transcend mvme 256. Now we're gonna install this in the motherboard. Damn, the mvme screw is under the motherboard. Oh, I should have gotten it out more earlier. Anyways, we're gonna install it right now, and to make this video not too long, I'm gonna cut. I'm not gonna show you that installing part. I'm just gonna install it and show you. Now we're gonna do is put these everything to the side and get the case over here and prep our case. As you can see, it's an Ovo case. It's a cheap case, but it is what it is because I'm building a budget PC. After some time I'm gonna upgrade this case later. It's a cheap one, that's why. Now we're gonna take it out. It's white. Don't hate on me, but it's white. I don't know why did I get it in the all black parts, but it is what it is. I'm gonna bring this out and update you y'all. This is the back side of it. I don't know why they gave black wires with white wires, white bill. I don't know, but it is what it is. It was cheap, that's why I got it. I'm building a budget PC, that's why. Now I'm gonna put my power supply in this and like trip up the wires, I guess. Now we have placed the PSU inside of here. Now we're gonna route the cables on that side and put the motherboard in. Here is our motherboard, and we're just gonna slide in the motherboard in. Bismillah. Damn. What the fuck is going on? Anyways, I'm gonna place the motherboard in and update you guys. As you can see, I have routed them cables. This 24 pin power and the CPU power is plugged in now. Now we're just gonna put my GPU in and just do everything that needs to be done, and I will show you the final result. Oh, I forgot to show you all. I have a ARGB controller.
Really, nigga?
So I'm gonna put this inside of this because my cooler has ARGB, but my motherboard doesn't support ARGB. That's why I have a PWM plus ARGB controller, and I'm gonna put this inside of. As you can see, I'm done building my thing. Now I'm just gonna close up my glasses and pray for the best that it turns on. Okay guys, I'm done building my PC, so it's it for today. I'm gonna pack it up. When I'm gonna set it up, I will post another separate video on that, to how to like put Windows on that. I'm gonna put Windows 11 in this, so stay tuned guys. For now, bye bye.
Hi.
Okay.